In this video, I'm going to go ahead and try and provide you with a little more information about some of the problems you might have with a narrow set of attic stairs. And of course, this would be a stairway with small treads and tall risers. And you're interested in trying to fix them, trying to make them a little safer by extending the length of the tread. And I'm here to tell you that you might not be able to do it because you might not have enough room to extend the stairway at the top or extend the stairway at the bottom because of an obstacle like a wall or something else that might be in the way. So let's take a look at the measurements for our original stairway here, and that's going to be 13 risers at 8 inches, 12 treads at 9 inches, and a headroom height of 76 inches. Now let's not forget that most stair building codes require 80 inches here. And again, you would have to check with your local building department to verify this information. So let's go ahead and take a look at this particular stairway and get an idea about what we're talking about with a headroom. That would be a measurement from here to here. The length of this stairway is from here to here, and this isn't going to change throughout the video. And of course, each step has an 8-inch riser and a 9-inch tread. Yours could be a little bit smaller. Now let's take a look and see what's going to happen if we add 1 inch to each step for this particular stairway. That will also provide us with a little less headroom also. And as you can see, we haven't changed the amount of risers or the riser height or the amount of treads, but we did add 1 inch to each step, increasing the depth from 9 inches to 10 inches and drastically reducing the headroom height, along with extending the stairway into the hallway. And even though we added 12 inch to the overall length of the stairway, the bottom step is only protruding about 6 or 7 inches into the hallway. And even though I tried to make that sound like good news, it's only going to be good news if it's not reducing the minimum width of the hallway or creating any additional building code problems for the rest of the house. And in our next example, we could be creating even a bigger problem by adding 1 step to the stairway so that we can reduce the overall height of the risers from 8 inches to a little under 7.5 inches. So here I just kind of overlaid the other stairway on top of the other one so that you could get an idea of how much we've affected every part of the stairway. So again, working with the same area here, we are not moving the top over at all, because if we could, you wouldn't need to watch this video. You could just move the entire stairway over. And some of the reasons why you might not be able to move this in the first place might have something to do with plumbing pipes, electrical wires, heating ducts, doorways, structural framing members, and of course, headroom. That could be another problem that you'd be dealing with. So for this stairway, we added another riser, added another tread, reduced the height of the risers to create a nice, safe stairway. However, we have again drastically reduced the headroom to 5 feet, and that is not going to be acceptable by most of your local building departments. So just to recap everything in the video, the biggest problem you're going to have extending the bottom of a stairway will be any section of it that reduces the width of a hallway or anything else that the building codes might not appreciate, and of course headroom. So hopefully this helps. However, if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the video comment area and I will answer them as soon as possible.